Hey, this is just a quick update to let you know that we've improved the simple letter model that we have for sign customizer, and it really makes the choice between choosing a sizing strategy being either fixed width or fixed height much more simpler and easier to understand now and to utilize. So I'll just quickly go through. What you can do is starting today, you can make sure that you've got your simple letter customizer created, or just go ahead and create a new one using our sign creation process. And we will just make sure you go to sizes, and then you will see a updated table here, and you'll see the size strategy. What you can do is for each size is we've added this card here that allows you to easily choose between having a fixed width sizing strategy or a fixed height sizing strategy, and you can choose the dimension there. So for fixed width, obviously you can change the width, and then the height would be dynamically scaled to the width and based on the shape of the font and all that. Likewise, for the fixed height setting, the width in that case will then scale dynamically, but you'll be able to set the height of the line specifically. That's going to make it much more easier to control and to choose which strategy, or like which sizing strategy you want to employ for your simple letter model. We're trying to make it as simple as possible to utilize, hence the name. And we believe that this change is just one of the many things that we are working on currently in order to improve this entire experience. So just for clarity's sake as well, when I say choosing between fixed width and either fixed height, currently we go back here. You can see that the strategy for each of these are height. If I was to go and preview it, you will see that the height here is locked to whatever dimension. So being the size small is height 10, so 10 centimeters. So if I just go back in here and preview, so that is small, and then changing the size will change the height as intended. Likewise, and the width will be dynamic. So the width is going to be based on the number of characters, the shape of the font, and also the given height. And that's how it's like, that's why we say it's dynamic, because it's based on those fundamental properties. And so you can reverse that. You can say, all right, I actually want the width to be I want to set the width property rather than the height. That's very easy to do. You just go ahead here, and I've already got the setting here, 50 centimeters. I go ahead and change that. We've also included a little banner here to alert you that if you've got two different strategies in place, we recommend one over the other, like being it should all be width or it should all be height. You shouldn't really have two strategies employed. So we just give you a little bit of help there. And just for this demo, I'm going to preview just the small one right now. So we're in small. We can see that the width is now set to 50 centimeters, and the height will be dynamically calculated. Again, based on the width that has been set, the number of characters, and the shape of the font as well all dictate. So this is available for the simple letter model, which is available on neon signs, channel letter signs, best suited, and yeah, you can start using it today.